Upgrade your kitchen with this sophisticated American-style fridge freezer from Haier. Perfect for family households looking for additional space for their groceries. Total No Frost prevents ice from building up in the freezer and distributes air evenly throughout the refrigerator. It ensures that you won't ever need to manually defrost, saving you valuable time and effort. With the non-plumbed water dispenser, you can pour yourself a refreshing glass of water whenever the water tank is filled, perfect for cooling drinks on a warm summer's day. The hidden handle's ergonomic and space-saving design is integrated into the groove between the doors, providing a stunning, seamless aesthetic that keeps the handle out of the way. Comfortably store all of your groceries even after large shops with this American-style fridge freezer from Haier.